What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually gonna be installing some more mods on my GTR. We're gonna try to film some more videos for you guys. It is holiday season, so it's gonna be pretty hard, so bear with me. But thank you guys for clicking on this video. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to. And now let's get into this video. Yes, sir. What are we doing today, Kona? We're doing another aesthetic mod to the GTR. We're actually going to be wrapping the roof black, as well as these door handles right here. Shout out to my boy New. I'll put his Instagram on the screen now. He also has a 2019 R35. It's actually the same person who sold me these Advan GTs. So yeah, he's actually coming over to help me wrap my roof black. So I'm actually going and taking the OEM antenna off right now. So he has a flat surface to work with. You're not gonna be able to see. It's pretty easy though. You just have to pull the back of the headliner down, and then it's a 22mm socket, and this should come out pretty easily. So let's go ahead and do that now. And just like that, we are able to unscrew the nut, and then there's these little plastic tabs right here that you have to push in to get the antenna off. But now that it's disconnected, and now New has a complete flat surface to work with to wrap the roof. We're gonna black out the door handles. I think the black roof wrap is gonna look so good. Shout out to the homie New. He actually just left, and man, the car looks so good with the gloss black roof wrap. You guys see it here. Again, huge shout out to the homie New. I'll put his Instagram up on the screen now and then put it in the description so you guys can give him a follow. He also did me a huge solid and wrapped the door handles gloss black as well, and the same vinyl. I think that looks so good. And we actually have the carbon side emblem coming in from Autowerke a little later this week, so we'll put that on maybe in this video or maybe the next video. I don't know at this point. It's just like one continuous mod video. You know, we've done the front lip, we've done the emblems, we did the front grille cover, now we're doing the roof wrap, door handles, we're doing the fender badge, and then we're also going to wrap it up and we're going to get some new Advan GT center caps that should be in next week as well. All right, it is a few days later, and as I just mentioned, we have the new Autowerke side emblem cover piece that's going to go over the GTR badge on the fender, as well as some brand new black and white Advan GT center caps. And I think those two pieces alone are just going to tie the entire car together now that we have the black door handles, the black roof. All right, opening package number 1 from Autowerke. If you're from the BMW world, which most of you guys are, you guys have probably heard of Autowerke. They do a lot of carbon pieces for BMWs. So yeah, this is my first time actually ordering anything from them, but I've heard amazing things about their quality. So let's go ahead and see what's behind door number 1. Sheesh. You guys see that gloss right there? That quality? That looks amazing, yo. Put it under some different lighting just so you guys can see the finish and the quality. Looks amazing. Already comes with 3M backing, as you guys can see there. But yeah, overall, can't wait to add this to the car and get rid of the silver trim that stands out now like a sore thumb. So in the GTR world, they actually have these, which are overlays, or you can actually have a direct replacement. But the problem with that route is you actually have to take this off, and then you have to like kind of pick away at the GTR emblem right here to separate it from the silver piece. So I didn't want to go through all that, and Autowerke and a few other companies made a direct replacement. So that's the route we went, and I think it's gonna look great. All right, before we pull the 3M backing off, let's go ahead and do our first initial test fit. Should just slide right over, and damn, you guys see it right there. It lines up perfectly in the grooves. Amazing fitment, again, amazing quality. My first time working with Autowerke, and I'm very impressed. All right, I just wiped down the emblem with some isopropyl alcohol, and Autowerke actually provided their own 3M, so I went ahead and peeled that off, and we're gonna go ahead and stick this on now. Just gonna hold for like 30 seconds or so. And just like that, The emblem is on and it looks so clean, hell yeah. Now let's go ahead and do the other side.
A few moments later.
Alright, next mod we're going to be opening in this video are these brand new Advan Racing center caps all the way from Japan. I've been wanting to order a new set of these for a couple months now because the ones that I had originally when I got my Advans actually got painted over in all gloss black, and I actually prefer this in white. So we went ahead and ordered a brand new set, and as you guys can see here, everything is in Japanese. Can't wait to put these on in addition to everything that we've already done in this video. According to the instructions, all we need to do is put some of the lubricant that they provided around the outer edge of the center cap, and then we're going to use a rubber mallet to slowly bang this into place and make sure we don't damage anything. And I'll show you guys what it's going to look like once it's all said and done. I think it's the missing piece to my wheels. The no center cap look definitely looks good on Advan style wheels or TEs, but I personally rather have the center caps back in. So yeah, can't wait to put these on. Totally forgot to press record on the first one, but check it out. Looks so, so good. Boy, Aston came to visit. What do you think? Center caps look good? All right, as you guys just saw, we just rubber malleted this one in. I would recommend, if you can, to take off your wheels so you are working on a flat surface rather than at this weird angle right here, trying to hammer it in, because it did make it a little more difficult. So if you can take off all your wheels, that'd probably be easier. But after a little bit of time, we finally got it flush, and now let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, we just wrapped up the driver's side, and you'll know that the center caps are in all the way when they're flush, and there's no spaces right here between the hub and the center cap itself. You'll know it's flush and all the way in. Let me know what you guys think, how the GTR is turning out. I think it looks amazing. As I've said before in previous videos, and I might have mentioned it in this video, the next mod that we're going to be doing to the GTR is getting rid of this wheel gap. That's right, we're finally going to be lowering the car and getting rid of this monster truck height. It's actually not that bad from the factory, not as bad as BMW, I don't think. It's only like maybe 2-finger gap right there in the rear, and maybe like 2.5 in the front. My F80, when it came from the factory, had a huge wheel gap in the front, but I'm still deciding if I want to go springs or coils, so I'll let you guys know in a future video, but that is on my Christmas list to myself, so stay tuned for that. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about all the aesthetic mods that we did to the GTR. As I mentioned before, the next one that we're gonna be doing is suspension, and that's gonna be huge. No more monster trucking. It'll probably be in the next month or so, and then we'll get it installed somewhere here in Orlando. But I can't wait to lower the car and get into the next phase of this build. But I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.